Forgotten username recovery failed on Novo Fix. If your attempt to recover your Novo username keeps failing, don't panic. The surprising truth is that Novo no longer uses usernames for login. Instead, your account is linked to your registered email or phone number, which serves as your primary login credential. That's why the traditional username recovery process often fails. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Open the Novo app or visit the Novo website. Enter your registered email address or phone number instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, check your inbox for past messages from Novo, such as account confirmations or payment notifications. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions sent to your email. Check your spam or junk folders if the message doesn't appear immediately. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login, like Google or Apple, make sure to use that same method to log in. Many failed recovery attempts occur because users switch login methods. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact Novo support. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team can verify your identity and restore access securely. Most people think their account is locked or deleted, but the reality is that Novo simply removed usernames to streamline login and enhance security. So don't stress, your account and funds are safe. Use your registered email or linked login, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing your business banking on Novo in minutes.